Hey there, quick review on these Muzata LED channels. As a carpenter, I use these a lot. I've been purchasing these from Amazon for a long time now. They're extremely affordable and they work really well if you need an LED channel with a diffuser for whatever different carpentry task you might have, whether that's under cabinet lighting, floating shelf lighting. I've used them for stair nosings that are LED lit. Works for a lot of different things. One of my favorite things about this particular channel is it's got a nice shallow depth. So if you're installing this into a dado, you don't have to remove a ton of material to get this installed. That's great for situations on stair nosings, floating shelves, etc. Now these are aluminum. They are 3.3 feet long, which comes out to about 39¼ inches. It's a nice length overall, and it's gonna ship all bundled together like so. With that, you're gonna get your channels and the diffusers, and then in the back of the package here, you have your various connectors and end caps for different situations. If you're gonna do an exposed under cabinet lighting or things like that, you've got end caps there to terminate the ends. This is your pack of hardware that's going to come with it. You've got these end caps here. You'll see some of them are solid all the way across, and some of them have a hole in the end if you need to fish a wire through. And then you also have these metal brackets where you can fasten that and then snap the aluminum channel right into place with those metal brackets. Here you see the channel with the diffuser installed over the top. It's a nice look, and if you're gonna use LED tape light, it really diffuses the light from those cells really well and it looks nice. So the top cover just snaps into place, and then if you wanna remove it, it'll just pop right off also. So fantastic product. You can't beat the price on this. I purchase these all the time because of the price point and the convenience. I'd highly recommend it if you need some LED channel for tape lighting.